everyone, welcome back to my channel. Kindly do subscribe my channel before enter the video. Today topic is about safe operating procedure. So here we go. And safe operating procedure is shortly called as a SOP. Introduction to safe operating procedure. Safe operating procedure stand as a key documents in numerous industries. So ensuring operational safety, uniformity, efficiency, these protocols are systematic sets of instruction guiding employees through routine and critical tasks designed to mitigate risk and maintain standards. So the SOP is a key document which will stand to protect the peoples by uh, by these protocol systematic set instruction guiding employees through routine and critical tasks to design to mitigate the risk and maintain standard. So it has to be developed carefully by the experience and knowledge people from the various departments. Here we go and take it out and component of an effective SOP. So if you want to develop the effective SOP, an effective SOP requires several key elements. Clarity in instruction remain at most, ensuring that anyone following the SOP understand the required action. Moreover, incorporated risk assessment and particular strategies are alongside compliance with enhancement enhance the SOP efficiency. So we incorporate the risk assessment and the strategy how we going to manage the also ensuring that everyone following the SOP understand the requirement actions should be clearly. When you are developing the SOP, it should have a clarity and clear instruction that which the way people would able to understand. So drafting an SOP. So drafting an SOP involves a methodical approach inclusive of stockholder involvement from various departments. It progresses through careful drafting, review cycles, and continuous updates to accommodate requirements. So the developing the SOP is not a one person job or the safety department. There from the various departments should be involved when developing this SOP. Then only it will get the clarity and the benefits of implementing SOPs. The implementation of SOP has complicated advantage. Not only do they strengthen safety measures but also make more efficient operation and fostering standardization and facilitating optimal performance. So the SOP is also will improve the performance and standardize the works in the workplace in all type of industrials. So here adoption. However, the adoption of SOP doesn't come without hurdles, resistance to change, upkeep of updated version and comprehensive employees training presence. So even though we develop their highest standard SOP, there will be hurdles or to and challenges. There will be challenges to apply and implement the SOP in workplace and all type of industries. The continual trainings and communication with the employees, which will only help implement the SOPs in the workplace. So SOP in different industries. SOPs find applications across diverse sectors. So from the across diverse sectors. So from the healthcare and all type of industrials, they so So SOP may require it for all type of industrial, including construction. The SOP which will standardize the work and process and the quality of works and safety and all type of uh, progresses. Industries that required SOP. The SOP is usually required for all type of industrials. So hand hygiene, protocol detail of stuff, proper hand washing, sanitation for healthcare, professional to prevent and spread of infection in clinic settings. So SOP is required for standardized and methodologies to be practice and medication administration procedure, manufacturing sector, quality control SOPs, food beverage SOPs and cleaning sanitation and food safety handling, construction sectors, site safety SOPs outline safety protocols for various construction tasks including work at height and operation machineries, handling hazardous, etc. Emergency response SOP detailed procedure for responding to accident and emergency on construction site, ensuring swift and organization section action to minimize risk. So each SOPs are uh, each SOP is tailored to its specified industrial task, providing step-by-step guidance to ensure safety and compliance and efficiency in executing various processes. Manufacturing SOP effectiveness relies on established key performance indicators (KPI), enabling continuous evaluation improve to refine process and ensure optimal outcomes. So the developing SOPs will bring optimal outcome. Also establish KPI. The effectiveness of SOP we can analyze through the KPI, key performance indicators, enabling continuous evaluation and improvement to refine process and ensure optimal. So common mistakes to avoid when you incorporate all the the procedures to mitigate the risk and the international and local standards and the stockholders from development process. So key stockholders from the development process are potential to undermining the SOP efficiency. So thank you guys, thanks for watching my video, see you with another video.